Hi, I'm Linda, proud member of the Procentec family. Welcome to our video covering quick and easy troubleshooting Profinet with Osiris and the help of Delphi. Procentec is a complete provider of diagnostics and monitoring solutions for industrial networks. Not only are we a PI certified competence center and test lab, we also have over 20 years of experience in the field, helping you keep your industrial networks healthy and reliable 24/7. Did you know that a maintenance engineer on average takes about 3 to 4 years to fully understand the ins and outs of one industrial communications protocol? In other words, it takes a long time to acquire the knowledge needed to maintain and troubleshoot an industrial site. Nowadays, Profibus is still the most widely used field bus. The growing trend is that Profibus is now being supplemented with industrial Ethernet protocols like Profinet or Ethernet IP. So it is more and more common to see 3 or more protocols being used on one site, adding to the complexity. The expansion of mixed architecture networks and the move towards Industry 4.0 unleashes a great potential for digital data communications. However, expanding to a mixed architecture creates a challenge for the maintenance engineer. The maintenance engineer now ends up having half the knowledge required for a new site, while expected to support the new communication capabilities seamlessly, just as he did with the existing systems. At Procentec, we understand this challenge and design our solutions from the perspective of field technicians, empowering you to deliver on these new expectations. We call this Industry 4.0 Human, in which we assist the human workforce with future-proof solutions. We help you to be up to par with increasing market demands. Today, I will show you Osiris, our multi-protocol, easy-to-use and easy-to-understand software platform for diagnostics and monitoring of industrial networks. In this series of 3 short videos, we will connect to 3 different networks and get a high-level analysis of each. The focus of this video is on troubleshooting Profinet. The other 2 videos of this series can be found on our YouTube channel. They cover troubleshooting Profibus and Ethernet IP with the help of Osiris and Delphi. I will also show you how you can get simple textual information to understand and troubleshoot the faults in your Profinet network. We'd like you to meet Delphi, our virtual support engineer included in Osiris. So let's get into it. In this video, we will connect to a Profinet network. Let's review the physical setup. In order to use Osiris on a Profinet network, all you need is an Ethernet cable. The network shown also has an Ether mirror, allowing you to plug in our EtherTAP to get even deeper insight into your network without interfering with the communication. Let's check if the network is compliant to PI guidelines. Let's click on Industrial Ethernet and enter the Osiris dashboard. Go to the Ethernet tab to set up the IP address of Osiris that must be within the network IP range. You can set up 10 different scan ranges when performing measurements by using the Add button. Click Apply and OK. Go to the top right and start a measurement and you will see the dashboard changing. You click the device list icon and get a handy overview of all your devices. You see the device names, IP addresses and various other characteristics including the port load and what kind of devices they are. Next you select Topology in the left pull-down menu. Here you get a graphical display of the network. Just check if all is okay. You know work is being done on the system and you are checking if any errors might show up that would hinder production. Well, no issues in the topology scan, so the active monitoring you have done does not show any problems. You move back to the dashboard to also do passive monitoring through the EtherTAP. You notice an amber exclamation mark in the EtherTAP tile. Click the EtherTAP tile and you see which device had the alarm. Click More Details to go into it and that brings you to the alarm page. You see it is a Profinet pool alarm. Click More Information to get the explanation in Delphi and to see how to solve the problem. With Delphi, Procentec offers a unique virtual help assistant that empowers you to do complex diagnostics and troubleshooting. There is no comparable solution on the market. It explains a pool alarm is sent when the base station loses communication with the modules. You can also see which slot is affected. It is so you know the exact location of this device. You move over to the message recording since any alarm will be recorded. You download the PCAP file for reference purposes. You can now go to the device and you will notice that the module was not correctly plugged in or maybe lost connection through vibration issues. To solve the issue, you just have to correctly plug in the module in slot 4 again. On your screen, you will see a second alarm, which is a plug alarm. Click on your virtual assistant Delphi to find the explanation. It tells you that communication has been restored successfully. You have fixed the issue. You can see the timestamp of alarm 1 and restoring alarm number 2. Next, for reference, we generate a report by clicking that option in the top right corner of the screen. You fill out the details in the report box and click on Generate Report. Under point 7, you see the Profinet status warning mentioned and you see which device had the alarms. If you want to save the report, you can print it as a PDF file. Moving back to the dashboard, you will see that the warning is still there for reference purposes. If you also want to report without any warnings indicated, you have to clear the measurement data and then generate a new report to have a before and after version. In conclusion, you just successfully diagnosed the Profinet network with Osiris. You found the cause, used Delphi for a solution, you fixed the problem, checked it, and documented the network fault for reference purposes. Please note that this can all be executed live. There is no need to start or stop production. This saves valuable time and costs and gives you immediate results. Just to recap the information you've just seen. Nowadays, there is a major increase in mixed architectures featuring protocols like Profibus, Profinet, and Ethernet IP. This makes your job as a maintenance engineer more complicated. Usually it takes years to fully understand all the ins and outs of just one communication protocol. Procentec offers a smart, easy, and reliable solution for multiple protocols. The diagnostics and monitoring software platform Osiris features a handy virtual support assistant called Delphi, the only of its kind in the industry. Procentec's platform enables you to make a quick, thorough analysis and to immediately take the correct action. With the right setup, this can be done live without interrupting any production processes. At the end of the day, this solution makes your work as a maintenance or field engineer much easier. It saves time and costs related to recurring slowdowns and downtime, now and in the future. Thank you for watching this video covering troubleshooting Profinet with Osiris and the help of Delphi. This video is part of a series of 3 videos. The other 2 cover Profibus and Ethernet IP troubleshooting. For more detailed information and to learn more about our professional solutions, we gladly invite you to visit our website. Also, feel free to check out and give feedback on our other handy videos on our YouTube channel. Any topics you would like us to cover, just get in touch. My name is Linda, proud member of the Procentec family. See you next time.